Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing for this amazing advent calendar from NuXE. I don't know how you pronounce this, but this is a French brand, and this is an amazing advent calendar. It's huge. It's a 24 days advent calendar, and so I am opening the first one, which is the oil that they have. And I don't know the scent of this, but it smells really good, and I love this oil. It's actually one of the reason why I love this brand to begin with, and so it's a pretty good size. It's a pretty good size for travel mainly, and so it's very hydrating as well, and that's number one. Okay, so up here is a perfume, a very small trial size. It's a florally scent. So it's basically a micellar rose water. It's so hard to get it off, so I'm just gonna take this off later. And number 5 is going to be up here. So this is number 5. Ooh, and that's multi correction cream gel. So, and then number 4, number 5. So number 6 is going to be somewhere up here. So this is number 6, and that is hydration moisture cream, 48 hours moisture cream, and it looks like this. Kind of small, good size, trial size. And then number 7 is right here. Ooh, that is so easy to ruin. Okay, so the next one is going to be another moisturizing plumping cream. So it's a small one. Oh, that one is ruined. So number 8 is up here. You can see it. So number 8 is right here, and that is the Fluid Hydrant Skin Correcting Moisturizing Fluid. It's kind of small. And then number 9 is, where are you? Number 9, I can't find you. Right here. This must be like a lipstick or another perfume. Oh, this one, oh, it's a lip balm. I actually like their lip balm. It's very moisturizing. It says lip moisturizing stick. So that's pretty good size actually. It looks like a full size. Okay, so number 10 is down here. And that's another ultra comforting face balm. So that's nice. That one is also 0.5 fluid ounce. All right, 11 is going to be up here. And that's a face cleansing and makeup removing gel, 0.50 fluid ounce. Number 12 is down here, and that is a hand gel, clean hands gel. So it's a lotion for your hands. So number 13 is right here. All right, so another, oh, this one is hand and nail cream in 0.50 ounce. So number 14, where are you? Oh, right here. All right, so that is called Micro Exfoliating Purifying Gel. So it's a small one. And then 15 right here. Ooh, this one is very, very nice. This is actually one of my favorite. Let me get it off. That way you can see the size. This is so hard. Okay, so this one is that oil, the whatever you call that, multi-purpose nourishing oil, face, body, and hair. Pretty good size, travel size. So I have 2 of that now. So that's the original scent. All right, let's put that back. Okay, so number 16 is up here. All right, so that is replenishing rich cream. I guess it's kind of like a serum, or kind of like a cream, anti-aging cream. Okay, so 17 is, where are you? Oh, right here. All right, so another cream. It says NuXE Fortifying Oil Cream. Huh, it replenishes, nourishes. Huh. Okay, so 18 is going to be right here. All right, so this one looks like a Revitalizing Granular Scrub. It's a scrub. It's pretty good size. It's an 1 ounce. So, okay, number 19 is up here. It says another anti-aging cream. So this one is Revitalizing Lift Firming Powdery Cream. Interesting. All right, so number 20 is right here. And it's another one of those oil things. So I have 3 of them now, so it's right here. They're all lined up right here. So that's pretty good. I love those things. I mean, I love those oils. Very hydrating. Okay, so number 21 is right here. All right, so another cream, precious scented shower oil. Oh, okay, so it's a shower oil. That's nice. 30 ml. Oh, 1 fluid ounce, so it's good. Did I miss number 13? I think I missed number 13. Okay, so number 13 is right here. Okay, oh, no, did I? So, okay, no, I did not. It looks like it's not open. So, okay, so number 22. This one is called Beautifying Scented Body Lotion. Okay, we finally have a body lotion. Okay, number 23 is, where are you? Number 23. Ooh, 23 is hiding. Where is 23? Oh my, I can't find 23. Oh, it's right here. So small. Okay, so, okay, that's another perfume. Okay, so far there's 2 perfumes in this advent. This one is kind of like that oil smell, so it has a fresh and kind of like floral scent to it. The first one that I have, did I open number 5? Okay, so the first one that I have was this one right here, which is kind of like very, very rosy and florally smell. Okay, so number 24, which is going to be the last one, is, oh, okay, so another one of these, which is has a shimmer in it, shimmer oil. So that's pretty cool. So these are all the products that you will get from this advent calendar. So far I'm pretty happy with it. It's worth $80, and I got this at lookfantastic.com. So these are really amazing products. I want to get this because I want to try the brand and all of it. So what a good way to try the brand itself. So this will last me a long time. I really love these oils. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you're wondering what it looks like, and it looks like this, pretty good gift if you want to give it to someone or yourself. Huge, pretty good. I'm happy with it. It is a pretty good advent calendar, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.